everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a beautiful Sunday morning and I'm just heading to go for a run. Usually during the weekend I either go for a run or I hike and I do some sort of outside activity, and during the week I used to go to the gym before COVID hits. Now I'm mostly working out at home and doing weightlifting and some sort of a circuit training. Okay, so let's go for a run and I'm gonna show you this beautiful place that honestly every time I go for a run it's like a blast. Like I feel like I'm in heaven.
Cheese and champagne, what a wonderful morning. Never mind she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Real good morning. Real good morning. I guess that things can only get better from here, but sometimes I wonder, I might have met the love of my life, but I lost a number. Never mind, she declined to the first date. I went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Having a real good morning.
That was a great run, guys. I really love it when I do that. My body feels fresh, I feel fresh, and now it's time to go and start working. I usually work on Sunday in my home office, and here is my home office. And I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my home office later. Finally, I'm ready to work. So as you guys can see, I'm here in my home office, and there's a story behind this home office. When COVID hits, everywhere we're shutting down, including the restaurant, coffee shops, suppliers, even contractors just kind of stopped working. And then we were hearing from different suppliers that were closing down. Come and pick up everything that you already ordered, or come and pick up your last minute stuff, we are closing down. So when they notified us, I realized, okay, there's a chance the town goes to lockdown. It never happened though. Vancouver never went to completely shutting down, and still businesses were operating, but not everyone. And it was like still people were allowed to go outside, but still it was very quiet at a time. And before this whole thing happened and then companies closed down, I went to Ikea and I bought tons of little cabinets and boxes, and then tried to put them together to make this office. And I needed this office to function as well as to be beautiful, because I do a lot of Zoom meeting, I do a lot of Skype meeting, as well as I needed a place to work if we were going to lockdown. Actually, I usually work on weekends and during the week. Especially Saturdays. A lot of my meetings are on Saturday because I do work with clients that they might work during the week, and sometimes they are a little bit more relaxed, and I prefer that way. So I do have a lot of my meeting actually set up for Saturday, but I try to keep my Sunday open as far as the meeting goes. And usually I work in my home office, which is right here. And the purpose of this home office was like to keep everything very organized. I needed storage, I needed functionality, I needed computers to be able to work, because most of my work is behind computer, and I still have 2 screens, comfy chairs, and a good table that is big enough to hold everything, even my drawings, and that works beautifully. I have a good amount of storage for my books, catalog, pens, scales. I also have a closet that I could fit my big huge printer in there, and with a little bit of organizing shelf on top, which worked great. And I can print stuff if I need to for like a last minute Monday meeting. That's still it's possible, so I don't have to take everything to office with me. So yeah, it worked great. And for the IKEA furniture, what I did, I picked up these boxes individually. So here's exciting moment. We got our delivery from IKEA. Everything is here, and it's time to put everything together and make this room to look fabulous. All these little ones and the drawers and the push to open doors and cabinets came different size, and it came individually, and then I put them the way that I wanted together. I was imagining something tall at the corner, and then I was thinking to have a base of storage and then floating a shelf or floating cabinet, so it doesn't look like, okay, it's the wall-to-wall cabinet and the storage, and the room is already small, so I didn't want to make it much smaller. And this sort of a design helped with that a lot. So I have everything that is very heavy either on the bottom level or all the way at the corner of the wall, and then it's kind of create that open flow. The little boxes are for decor purposes, and I put them on a random height, and I used birch wood, and I attached those underneath of these boxes randomly and in different angles, so it looks like that these boxes are floating and they're holded by these birch wood, which I really like. And I really like how that gives this whole thing a little bit of more uniqueness. I created a base for it, so it looks like that is built in, not just the boxes are on the floor, and everything is secured to the wall. It took quite a bit of time to put everything together. IKEA has a lot of little pieces, and then put them together and making sure that you did it right. It was quite a bit of time consuming for sure, but I would say definitely is worth it. One other thing I should say, do I think, because I'm in a business, I just want to give you my opinion regarding the furniture, like the cabinetry that I got. This specific one, I'm not saying everything is this style and this quality, but IKEA is great for somebody that want to put something very quickly together, something that is not get used very often, and it doesn't need so much durability. I think IKEA, that could be a good option, or somebody that is very low on the budget, that could be a very good option. But overall, the quality is not as close as when you do a custom build 100%. Like the neatness of the boxes, the finishes, even the hinges, the push to open drawers function, and all the sliders, like the quality of those, they're almost to the minimum, so they're not very high quality if you're expecting that, but you get what you pay for. So absolutely, that is true when it comes to this type of millwork. Overall, I think it came out great. I do have push to open doors that I put a lot of books, catalog, and everything that I need in those, as well as the drawers, and I use them for my scales, pens, like staples, like all the suppliers that need to be in the designer's office. And then most of my work is by computer, so a lot of actually hard drives and storage like system that I do have, and I do invest on those quite a lot because I try to keep paper usage as minimum as possible, and mainly I do print them if I need to. Like, I'm not a person that I keep printing stuff and just toss them. I usually think computer is great for that purpose and try to save and help the earth that way. Yeah, so I do print, but I do use it when I need it. It's not something that I randomly print and toss pictures or papers and stuff. I'm hoping this video inspired you next time you go shopping at IKEA. find a way to put things together in a different way and come up with your own design, because design is just limited to your imagination and you can do so much with these. Like you can even go with 2 different color and just create 2 different color tone. And yeah, so based on that, having said that, today I'm going to work on the plumbing package for a client. So quickly I'm gonna put those together, and then if I have time I'll do a little bit more work, and then I will take my dog, and her name is Bella, you probably know her. I'm gonna take her for a walk. Guys, I'm here in Rona and I'm trying to pick up a couple of handles and a couple of things that I need for one of the projects. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna do this very quickly and then go and take Bella for a walk.
Oh God, it's already Christmas.
I'm here at this beautiful, gorgeous trail with Bella. She's off leash and she's just running around, and it is stunning here, guys. It's gorgeous. You know, I'm so blessed that I live in North Van, and everywhere you look is like tree and it's green, and you see these beautiful river, the sound of the water, and all those makes you feel amazing. I should definitely go get Bella because she's running away, so I better go, and as soon as I get her I'll be back.
God, check out Bella's leg. Check out Bella's leg.
Bella, what did you do? What did you do? Oh my God, crazy girl, what did you do? Oh my God, she messed up her whole leg and she made herself super dirty. Now I just brought her to this river, so hopefully she can clean up her legs before I take her to the car, because my car is gonna get super dirty. Oh, there she is. Just look at her, I'll show it to you. Okay guys, so I'm just going to end the video here. I'm hoping that you like this type of video. If you liked for me to make more like a day in life during the week or on weekend, or more of this type of video, please leave me a comment below, and I look forward to see you in my next video.